My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Peugeot 5008. This vehicle has done just over 52,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that it comes with 7 seats in total. Each of which has a black leather trim. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic wipers and automatic headlights. On the touchscreen, using these buttons here, we can get quick access to our connected apps, Bluetooth, vehicle, navigation, climate control, and radio and media. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. The 5008 also has 4 different terrains to choose from. So we have normal mode, snow mode, mud mode, and sand mode. If we also press this button here, we can activate sport mode. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.